Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the grid size when you're painting in Heartopia. So select this icon here. For instance, I want to paint on a 1x1 canvas. So right now the position is at this much. So start painting, and as you can see the grid is pretty big. You can see it instantly, and I don't even have to zoom in to see the grid. So if you want to change that, you're just going to go back and you're going to create a new drawing. Unfortunately, you have to create a new canvas, I think. Then you're just going to select a different precision. So for this one, I'm just going to select this one. Start. Oh my gosh, why is this not... Sorry, I'm choosing 1x1, but it chose something else. As you can see, oh my gosh, hold on. It's a bug, okay? Sorry, guys. There we go. As you can see, I can't see the grid until I really zoom in the painting, and that means the grid is smaller than the one we had before, where you are able to see the grid instantly, and that is because of the precision. You kind of have to do it a few times for it to actually show, because it's just a bug, I guess. But here's the pixel drawing where the pixels are big, and this is where I drew, and the grid is smaller. So you are able to change that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!